In today's interconnected world, cybersecurity is paramount. Ethical hackers play a crucial role, acting as the guardians of our data and systems. By identifying vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them, ethical hackers help organizations strengthen their defenses. Ethical hacking involves employing the same techniques used by malicious hackers, but with authorized access and a commitment to responsible disclosure. Instead of exploiting weaknesses for personal gain, ethical hackers report their findings to organizations, enabling them to patch vulnerabilities. As cyber attacks become increasingly common, businesses and individuals must prioritize cybersecurity. In the following sections, we will delve into the practical aspects of setting up your first ethical hacking lab at home. Before diving into ethical hacking, it's essential to have the right tools. Processor. A powerful processor such as an Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 ensures smooth performance. Memory aim for at least 8 GB of RAM, but 16 GB or more is recommended. Storage. A solid-state drive, SSD, is highly recommended for faster boot times and application loading speeds. Graphics card. A dedicated graphics card can be beneficial for tasks like password cracking. Networking. A stable internet connection is paramount for ethical hacking. These hardware recommendations provide a solid foundation for your ethical hacking lab. Ethical hackers rely on specialized software tools to perform their tasks effectively. Operating system. Kali Linux is widely regarded as the industry standard for ethical hacking. Virtualization software virtual machines, VMs, are essential for ethical hacking, allowing you to create isolated environments. Popular virtualization software options include VirtualBox and VMware Workstation. Web browsers. Mozilla Firefox is often preferred for its security features and extensive add-on library. Text editors. A good text editor is crucial for working with code, scripts, and configuration files. Sublime Text and Atom are popular choices among ethical hackers. These software tools represent the foundation of your ethical hacking arsenal. Virtual machines, VMs, play a crucial role in ethical hacking by providing isolated environments. Think of a virtual machine as a computer within a computer. This isolation allows you to safely detonate malware, test exploits, and practice hacking techniques. To create a virtual machine, you'll need virtualization software like VirtualBox or VMware Workstation. Once installed, you can download and install operating systems within your virtual machines. Virtual machines offer a safe environment for ethical hacking, allowing you to explore different techniques without risk. Penetration testing tools are the bread and butter of ethical hacking. These tools are essential for identifying and addressing security weaknesses before malicious hackers can exploit them. These specialized software applications identify vulnerabilities in computer systems, networks, and web applications. They help ethical hackers simulate attacks and understand the potential impact of security flaws. Vulnerability scanners. Automated tools that scan target systems and networks for known vulnerabilities. They provide detailed reports that highlight security issues and suggest remediation steps. Popular vulnerability scanners include Nessus, OpenVAS, and Nexpose. These tools are widely used in the industry for their reliability and comprehensive scanning capabilities. Network mapping tools. Used to discover and map out devices and connections within a network. They help ethical hackers understand the network structure and identify potential entry points. Nmap and ZenMap are widely used network mapping tools. They provide detailed information about the devices on a network, including open ports and running services. Password cracking tools. Used to recover or crack passwords. These tools are essential for testing the strength of passwords and ensuring that they meet security standards. Hashcat and John the Ripper are popular password cracking tools. They use advanced algorithms to crack passwords and help ethical hackers identify weak passwords that need to be strengthened. Web application. Security scanners, designed to identify vulnerabilities in web applications. These tools simulate attacks on web applications to find security flaws that could be exploited by hackers. Burp Suite and OWASP Zap are widely used web application security scanners. They provide comprehensive testing capabilities and are essential for securing web applications. These tools automate many tasks involved in ethical hacking, making it easier to find and exploit weaknesses. Automation allows ethical hackers to focus on more complex tasks and improve overall efficiency. Each tool has its strengths and weaknesses. Some tools are better suited for specific tasks, while others offer a broader range of capabilities. The best tool for a particular task depends on the specific target and the goals of the penetration test. Ethical hackers must carefully choose the right tools to achieve the best results. These are just a few examples of the many penetration testing tools available to ethical hackers. The field of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, and new tools are developed regularly to address emerging threats and challenges. Becoming a successful ethical hacker requires a blend of technical proficiency, problem-solving skills, and a strong ethical compass. It's not just about knowing how to break into systems, but understanding the intricacies of how they work and how to protect them. Ethical hackers must always prioritize integrity and responsibility in their work. Networking fundamentals. A solid understanding of networking concepts is crucial. This includes knowledge of protocols, IP addressing, and network topologies. Without this foundation, identifying vulnerabilities in a network would be nearly impossible. Operating system knowledge. Ethical hackers need to be well-versed in different operating systems, especially Linux, Windows, and macOS. Each system has its own set of security features and vulnerabilities. Programming skills. Python is a popular choice for ethical hacking due to its versatility. However, knowledge of other languages like JavaScript, C++, and Bash scripting can also be incredibly useful. Problem-solving abilities. Ethical hacking often involves solving complex puzzles. This requires a logical approach and the ability to think outside the box to find creative solutions to security challenges. Ethical hacking methodologies. Familiarity with methodologies like PTEs and OSSTMM provides a structured framework. These methodologies guide ethical hackers through the process of penetration testing and security assessments. Many successful ethical hackers are self-taught, driven by a passion for cybersecurity. They often spend countless hours learning from online resources, tutorials, and forums. Continuous learning and hands-on experience are key to developing and refining your skills. Practical experience, such as participating in Capture the Flag (CTF) competitions, can be invaluable. While a formal education in computer science is beneficial, it is not strictly necessary. Many ethical hackers come from diverse educational backgrounds, but share a common dedication to learning and improving their craft. Strong problem-solving skills, analytical thinking, and a creative mindset are essential. These traits help ethical hackers to anticipate potential threats and devise effective countermeasures. These essential skills provide a solid foundation for aspiring ethical hackers. With dedication and continuous learning, anyone can develop the expertise needed to protect and secure digital environments. The field of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, with new threats and vulnerabilities emerging regularly. Staying updated with industry news and trends. Subscribe to cybersecurity blogs, newsletters, and podcasts. Follow reputable security researchers and organizations on social media, participating in online forums and communities. Engage with other ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals, attending security conferences and workshops. Learn from industry experts and gain hands-on experience. Pursuing certifications. Earning industry-recognized certifications demonstrates your knowledge and skills. Consider certifications like the Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, and Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP. Continuous learning is not merely an option for ethical hackers, it is an imperative. By staying curious and continually expanding your knowledge base, you can ensure your skills remain relevant. Ethical hacking must always be conducted legally and ethically. This means understanding and respecting the laws and regulations that govern cyber activities in your jurisdiction. Ethical hackers play a crucial role in securing systems, but they must always operate within the legal framework to avoid severe consequences. Unauthorized access to computer systems and networks is a crime, even if your intentions are good. Even if you discover a vulnerability, accessing a system without permission can lead to legal repercussions, including fines and imprisonment. Always ensure you have the necessary permissions before proceeding. Obtain written permission. Always obtain written permission from the owner of the target system or network. This written consent is your legal safeguard and demonstrates that your activities are authorized. It is essential to have a clear agreement outlining the scope of your testing to avoid any misunderstandings. Respect privacy and confidentiality. Treat all data and information with the utmost respect. Ethical hackers often come across sensitive information, and it is their duty to protect this data. Never misuse or disclose any personal or confidential information you encounter during your activities. Report vulnerabilities responsibly. Report vulnerabilities to the system or network owner promptly. Timely reporting helps in mitigating risks and securing the system faster. Provide a clear and detailed report that includes steps to reproduce the issue and potential fixes. provide detailed information about the vulnerability, including its severity and potential impact. This helps the system owner understand the urgency and importance of addressing the issue. Your report should be comprehensive and easy to understand, ensuring that the necessary actions can be taken swiftly. Do no harm. Conduct your ethical hacking activities in a way that minimizes the risk of harm. Always use secure methods and avoid any actions that could cause damage to the system or data. Your goal is to help improve security, not to create additional problems. Avoid any actions that could disrupt business operations or compromise privacy. Be mindful of the potential impact of your activities on the organization and its users. Ethical hacking should be conducted in a manner that supports the business's continuity and respects user privacy. By adhering to these ethical considerations, you can ensure your activities are conducted legally and responsibly. Ethical hacking is a valuable service that helps protect systems and data, but it must be done with integrity and respect for the law. Always strive to uphold the highest standards of ethical behavior in your work. Embarking on the journey of ethical hacking is both challenging and rewarding. It demands continuous learning, adaptability, and an unwavering commitment to ethical conduct. As our reliance on technology grows, the role of ethical hackers in securing our digital world will only become more critical. Becoming a proficient ethical hacker is a marathon, not a sprint. Start by building a solid foundation of knowledge and skills, then gradually expand your expertise. Embrace the challenges ahead, for they will make you a stronger and more capable ethical hacker. Use your skills wisely, ethically, and always in the pursuit of a safer and more secure digital future.